This is the world's biggest single-piece television as of now. It is the 130-inch Samsung Micro RGB TV that the company has unveiled at its first look event at CES 2026. The reason why Samsung has announced this is because they wanted to showcase their engineering prowess in actually scaling Micro RGB TV ranging from smaller sizes like 55, 65, 75, 85, 100, 115, and now a massive 130 inches in screen size. If you know the history of Micro RGB TV, Samsung is doing it in micrometer class level. Basically, they're using micrometer size less than 100 micrometers or 100 microns, red, green and blue LEDs in one optical module, which is individually controllable. And this allows the colors to be blended, to be mixed in a more precise manner than just a blue or white backlight which has to go through color filter. In theory, this allows for higher color purity, wider color gamut, and also higher color luminance in addition to lower power consumption. Now, looking at this, you can probably see this metallic structure around it. Samsung calls it the timeless frame. And the way it is designed is that you can see that there would be a kickstand around the back that is supporting the structure, but you can remove the stand and that will allow you to wall mount the TV. Of course, you will have to have a very big mansion to actually wall mount this, because standing beside this, I feel so small. This is only one style of actually installing this TV, but there is another way that Samsung is showing off as a concept. And this is also a 130-inch Samsung R95H Micro RGB TV, and you can see that it is fairly big. You know, I'm not going to make any size joke because I'm too big for that. And it has a glare-free treatment in the front of the screen that allows it to suppress reflections, and you can see that it is actually mounted on this textured surface which Samsung calls the layered wall. And the concept is that you can actually change it to another color to go with this TV in your home in a wall-mounted fashion. In terms of the TV itself, controlling these individual red, green and blue LEDs inside each optical module is not really easy in terms of mixing the colors in an accurate manner. So Samsung is using their Micro RGB AI engine to try and process that. Besides that, they are quoting a BT 2020 coverage of 100% for the R95H, including this 130-inch model. Because again, if you have purer color wavelength, then you can actually achieve a wider color gamut. But in all honesty, I think 100% BT 2020 is very difficult to achieve for a consumer display, because you really need monochromatic light source. And I think what Samsung and all other manufacturers are referring to is that they are covering 100% of BT 2020 in terms of the area, but not the specific color coordinates. It will support HDR10+ Advanced. It will support all other of Samsung's latest and greatest feature. The series name is called the R95H, and there are no other details about the company's other TVs at this event at this moment, but we're just focusing on the Micro RGB TV because that is going to be Samsung's flagship LCD class device for 2026. If you are not sure about which Samsung TV to buy, one place where you can get good advice is at Richer Sounds, a trusted British AV retailer with more than 50 stores in the UK, who provides 6 years warranty on the vast majority of TVs you purchase if you join the company's VIP club. You'll get VIP exclusive in-store only prices, complimentary gifts and freebies. So go visit your local Richer Sound store or call telesales for your next TV purchase. Thanks again for your support. Okay, besides launching this Micro RGB TV, Samsung has also unveiled its new OLED TV, whose flagship S95H has up to 8 HDMI 2.1 ports. To find out how this is achieved, please watch my coverage video by clicking here.